Hello guys, welcome back for another video, Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how to enable folding mirrors on a BMW F10 with the V-gate and dimmer coding through an iPhone. Before we start, I want to mention my YouTube channel, it's Service Reset My Car. Feel free to subscribe if you like our videos and give us a thumbs up. Okay. In this video, like I mentioned before, I'm going to show you how to enable folding mirrors by closing the doors with your key when you're going, and pressing only once on the close button to close the doors, and automatically the mirrors will also folding. Normally you have to press it and keep it press for 3 seconds to fold the mirrors, and with the V-gate it's possible to enable the folding mirrors by pressing it once on your key. Okay. To be able to use the V-gate, you have to have downloaded dimmer code. It's this app. And you get a menu on your app. You have to download the app on the App Store, the dimmer code, and then you get this menu once you have connected to the V-gate through your App Store, through your iPhone. Then we go to the front electric module and go through the menu, and something about the mirrors. Yes, here. So I want to enable closing or folding mirrors when I close the doors and I press the close button only once. Then you have to use this feature and you have to activate it. Go back, and then you have to press code. Once you have done it, it says demo mode, but it's a demo mode because I've done that already for this car. Once you have done it, it takes about 30 seconds. 30 seconds to adjust it on the car. And now I'm going to show you how it works on this car. There is our mirror. I'm going to shut down the car. Let's pretend you're home. And you're home. Open the door. Close it. And use your key to close the doors. Like that. So I just pressed it once and it automatically folded it. And when you open the car, press once and the mirrors will fold out. This was a BMW F10. You can use this V-gate on multiple model BMWs. And I'm gonna make some videos on other BMWs, so if you want to check them out, you can subscribe to my channel to not miss out any future videos. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.